number conversion. Okay, number conversion, number conversion. Now, in our syllabus point of view, we have four uh, the basic number systems are the four major number systems, that is the decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. Now today the first conversion what we are going to learn is from decimal to other number system. Decimal to other number system. From decimal number system to other number system. Decimal number system to other number system. Suppose if we consider in our syllabus point of view, what are the other number systems that we are having in our syllabus? Decimal to binary,
decimal to octal, decimal to hexa.
decimal to binary, decimal to octal and decimal to hexa, that we are having in our syllabus point of view. Not only these conversion, not only these three decimal to binary or decimal to octal or decimal to hexadecimal, decimal to any other number system, decimal to any other number system, we can also call it as a decimal to any other number system, decimal to any other number system, decimal to any other number system, any other number system. Okay, any other number system. Now what is the procedure we are following to convert a decimal to any other number system? Can anyone having any idea? Please tell me. If you already seen some of the YouTube videos or if you already read somewhere else, you can tell me any other number system. You know. Otherwise,
Division method.
okay, very good, very good. Generally,
LCM.
Decimal to any other number system. Very good. See here. Now here this is our source number system. This is our source number system. This is our source number system. Source. This is our source. This is our source. Okay, source number system. And the required number system is the destination number system. Required number system is the destination number system. Here I am considering it as a communication point of view, source and destination. Source and destination. What we know the source, destination number system, destination number system. Okay, now source is a decimal number system. If it is a decimal, what is the base? What is the base? 10.
10.
Now we know, we are clearly mentioning that which number, which is our destination number system, that we have to mention. Suppose if I want to convert binary, what is the base of binary number system?
2.
If I want to convert the decimal into octal, what is the base?
8.
Oh, okay. If I want to convert to hexadecimal, what is the base?
16.
Okay. If I want to convert to base 4, why? Because here I know exact number. What is the exact number what I am getting? But I know the bases or not. I know the destination base or not.
Yes, sir.
Now, while converting decimal to any other number system, please remember, while converting decimal to any other number system, what we are doing, the procedure what we are following is long division. Long division. That procedure we are calling it as long division. Generally, when we are in primary school, that we are following this long division procedure. Long division. The long division procedure. The long division procedure. Now we have to divide. What we have to divide? We have to take the source number. We have to take the source number. We have to take the source number. S number means source number. We have to divide this source number we have to divide this source number with the destination base. From which number I want to perform the long division? Destination base. DB means destination base. Hope I am clear. The procedure what we are following while converting decimal to any other number system is long division method. Decimal to any other number system is long division procedure. And what we are doing, we are taking the source number. We are taking the source number. This is my source number. This is the source number. While doing the problems, definitely you will get a clear understanding. I want to divide the source number with the destination base. DB means the destination base. Am I clear, everyone? The procedure what we are
Yes, sir.
following. It is simple procedure only. You already done in your primary school mathematics. The problems what we are going to do today are the coming days also. It is easy, not like your the complex mathematics. It is only simple mathematics only. Okay. Now the procedure what we are following is long division. Not only for binary or octal or hexadecimal, for any other, from decimal to any other number system, the method what we are following is long division method. And what we are doing in that long division method, we are taking the source number, we are dividing source number with the destination base. DB means the destination base. Here I am clearly writing that which one is the source and which one is the destination. That is what we are doing while converting decimal to other number system, as well as vice versa also possible, vice versa. But we are not using this procedure. Only one direction, from decimal to other number system, we are using this procedure. We are following this approach. Okay. The reverse is different. That reverse we are going to see later. Now see, I am taking some problems. I can write some problems and easy only. You feel that it is very simple and you can understand easily. Okay. Now, now tell me any random number, any random decimal number. Can someone tell me any random decimal number? I already told you, you have to mention the
12.
clearly the base. Tell me.
123.
1.
123.
Please take smaller number. Why? Because
44 base.
this
27.
okay, space constraint. Because of space constraint, in your notebook you can take any number, but here because of space constraint, please tell me the smaller number. Tell me.
16 base 10, sir.
16 base 10. Now I want to convert this 16 base 10 to which number system? That is also you. I am going here. Okay, 16 base 10. This is the my number. I want to convert this into initially base 2. Base 2 number system. I don't know the answer. But I know what I know. The destination number system I know. What is the destination number system? I want to convert that into
Base 2.
Binary number.
okay.
System.
Base 2 means binary number system. Okay, base 2 means binary number system. Okay. Now see, I hope you know. I can move a little bit faster. 16 is the given number. 16 is the given number. This is the given source number. This is the source number. This is the source number. Everyone know source number. What is the destination base? What is the destination base?
2.
Destination.
2.
Okay, destination base is 2. Destination base is 2. Now 2 8 times, the remainder what you will get is 0. 2 4 times, the remainder what you are going to get is 0. 2 2 times, The remainder what I'm getting is 0. 2, 1 time, what the remainder I'm getting is 0. Now, when I should stop, this long division procedure, that is also very important point, you should remember. I hope everyone know. Once again I can tell you, whenever it is not possible to divide this value with the base or the divisor, whenever it is not possible to divide this value with the base, then you can stop your division, procedure. Now I can't divide 1 with 2. I can't divide 1 with 2. There you can stop your division procedure. Am I clear? You know all these are the basic mathematics only. Okay. Am I clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now after stopping here, then what we have to do is we have to take these remainder values from bottom to top. We have to write these remainder values. This is the last value or bottom value. For our understanding sake, we cannot call it as a bottom value. Actually, from the last value to, we have to move bottom to up. We have to write all these reminders. One, how many zeros? How many zeros are there?
4.
Four,
Four.
four, four zeros, and this is the final answer, and this is the required binary number for the given base 16, sorry, base 10 16 number. If you convert 16 into binary, you are going to get 4 zeros. This is the final solution. I hope, am I clear? You can understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is simple mathematics only. Okay. Now, here we don't get any problem. Why? Because for binary, always binary will get the reminders as zeros and ones. Now coming to the octal number. Suppose now, if you want, you can note down. Otherwise, I can erase here. I hope this procedure everyone know. If you are,
Yes, sir.
if you have your notebooks, please note down this example. Then we will move forward. Okay, you can do your own. I hope you can do this problem your own. Now tell me some other number. Can you tell me some other number?
23.
23. Okay, now 23, someone is saying 23. You have to tell me clearly the basis, whether this number is base 10 or
Base 10, sir.
okay, base 10. Now I want to convert this into octal number system. The same procedure. Now 8, this is the destination base. The given number is 23. Now tell me, you have to tell me how many times.
2.
2 times. Now what is the reminder you are getting?
7.
7. Okay, now I can divide 2 with 8.
No, sir.
No, this is my final answer. 23 of base 10 equal to 27 of base 8. 27 of base 8. 27 of base 8. Am I clear, everyone? These
Yes,
are
sir.
simple problems only you can do. If you want, you can take another number, the random number. Here I am taking some random numbers as an example. You can take your own number. Okay, please write down these example problems in your notebooks. These example problems you can do your own. You take your own number, any number, and the procedure you need to follow this procedure. Okay, now I'm considering, I hope this is clear. Now I am erasing this one. Now I am not changing the number, but what I am doing is I want to convert this into hexadecimal number system. What I have to do? Tell me. What I have to do?
Long division
Okay, the same.
with 16.
16, how many times?
1 times 7.
What is the value?
17.
17. Okay. 23 of base 10 equal to 23 of base 10 equal to 17 of
60.
Base 16.
base 16. I am considering here one more number. Here I am considering now. Tell me now. You have to answer me. Okay. 27 of base 10 is equal to what? What is the hexadecimal representation? You have to tell me the answer. You have to do yourself and you have to give me the answer.
19. 19 sir, 19 of base 16.
19 of
Base 16.
19 of
Base 16.
okay, very good, very good. 19 of base 16. Now you have to answer this also. 39 of base 10 equal to what about base? Only some people are giving the answer. What about the others? Are you doing? Are you doing the problems? What about the others? Try to unmute and tell me whether are you doing or not. Are you understanding these simple problems or not?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me. I can call randomly. Don't answer directly. I can call randomly some numbers. You have to tell me the answer for this problem. 29 of base 10 and the destination is base 16. Starting 67. Okay, I don't want 60. 69. Roll number 69. Are you there in the session?
Yes sir.
Tell me the
Yes, sir.
answer. Tell me the answer.
113 I'm getting, sir.
113. 113 of base 16.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, please mute yourself. Now, 69, 79. Roll number 79. Roll number 79. Are you there?
Present sir.
I am not calling the roll numbers. I am not taking your attendance. I am asking answer for this problem. I hope you are putting your mobile phone somewhere else and you are doing your own work. Roll number 68. We are doing problems here in the class. You kept your mobile phone somewhere else and you are doing your own work. Roll number 79. I'm calling roll number 79. Are you there in the session? Roll number 79. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes sir. Yes
Roll
sir.
number 79. Are you there in the session? Roll number 79. Are you there in the session? Roll number 79. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
I am doing here. Are you observing?
Absent. Yes, sir.
I'm doing here? I'm highlighting. Please check. Roll number 79, are you there in the session? Okay. We don't waste our time. Okay, we will move forward. Roll number 89.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the answer for this problem.
113, sir.
113 of base 16. Very good. 113 of base 16. Very good. 89. Please mute yourself. Next, roll number 99.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 99. Now, please tell me the answer.
113 of base 16, sir.
Very good. 113 of base 16. Very good. Please mute yourself. Roll number
Thank you,
A9. Roll number A9. Roll number A9. Roll number A9. I hope she is not coming to the classes regularly. I hope she is not there. Roll number B9. Roll number B9.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Answer. I want answer. Okay. You are
113 base 16, sir.
very good. Please mute your audio. Please mute your audio. Roll number C9.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is the answer.
113, sir. To the base
One,
16.
very good. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please mute. I hope everyone is giving the same answer. Okay, I'm asking so many. I'm calling randomly, but everyone is giving the same answer. Very good. But listen here and see here. Listen and see here. 29. What is the source number? 29. What is the source number? 29.
29.
Now,
29.
what is the destination base? 16.
116.
How many times?
One time.
One time. What is the
One time.
reminder you are getting?
13.
13.
13. Very good. But we don't have 13 in our hexadecimal number system. That 13
It's 1C, 1D, sir.
you should write it as, the answer is 1D
1D.
of base 16. 1D of base 16. That is the reason I am asking so many members. I am calling so many members randomly, but everyone is saying the same answer. Hope am I clear? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The answer is clear to everyone. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
answer?
1D.
What?
1D.
1D of base 16. 1D of base 16. 1D of base 16. That is the reason you should be conscious and you should be clear whenever you are dividing with base 16. The remaining numbers, we don't get this type of problem. Only for base 16. Only for base 16. Why? Because if we get remainder more than 10, if it is a 10, that 10 you should write it as A. If you are getting the reminder as 11, that you should write it as B. If you are getting the reminder as 12, you should write it as
C.
C.
C. C. If you are getting reminder as 13, you should write it
D.
as
D.
D. Okay. I hope I am clear now.
Yes,
If I am getting 14, if I am getting 14, what I should write it as? E. If I am getting 15, if I am getting the
F.
yeah,
F.
yeah. Okay, very good. This you should know clearly. This you should know clearly. Am I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can practice. You take any random numbers, your own numbers. Here, because of space constraint, I am taking smaller numbers. You take the larger number, whether it may be a 3-digit number or 4-digit number. You take any number, but that number should be a decimal number. Why? Because we are converting decimal into other number system. Now we have converted the basic conversion, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Now we are going to see decimal to others. Other means if I want to convert base 3, what I have to do? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the last question, last problem answer. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is not 113 of base 16, 1D of base 16. Okay. The same problem I want to convert into base 4. What I should do?
Divide 4.
Long division, the same procedure, 23. The given number is 23.
Base 4.
Base 4. The given number is 23, base 4. How many times? 4.
5 times.
5 times. What is the
5.
remainder?
3.
What is the 3? Next 4.
1 time.
4. 1 time.
1
What is
time.
the remainder?
1.
1, sir.
Now, what is the result I am getting?
113. 4.
113 of base 4. 113 of base 4.